Welcome. In this video, we're exploring how to create a poll on Snapchat, a fun way to engage with your friends and get their opinions. Whether you're deciding what to do this weekend or just want some feedback, polls are a great tool. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Snapchat. First things first, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step 2. Create a snap. Next, take a photo or video that you want to use for your poll. This could be anything that sets the context for your question. Step 3. Tap the sticker's icon. After you've created your snap, look to the right side of the screen and tap the sticker icon, which looks like a square with a smiley face. Step 4. Select the poll sticker. Once you're in the sticker menu, find the poll sticker that resembles a bar graph at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 5. Enter your question. Now a text box will appear where you can type in your question. Make it clear and engaging to encourage responses. Step 6. Choose emojis. By default, you'll see thumbs up and thumbs down emojis for your poll. You can tap on these to switch them out for other emojis if you prefer a different vibe. Step 7. Customize the poll. Don't forget that you can resize and reposition the poll sticker. Just pinch and drag it to fit perfectly in your snap. Step 8. Send or post. Finally, once you're satisfied with your poll, tap the send button to share it with friends or post it to your story. Now, sit back and watch the responses roll in, and there you have it. Creating a poll on Snapchat is that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.